Hello, Daniel here, and welcome to another one of our product unboxing videos. So this is just going to be a real quick video for the Echo Dot Generation 3, obviously sold by Amazon. It's the one with the fabricy type of middle section. It's much like the original Echo Dot. I have got one in black, and I can honestly say the sound is a lot better. It's more bassy. So even if you're looking to get one of these cheap and just upgrade ones you've got, I will say it is definitely worth upgrading. So obviously this includes Alexa, can't say it too loudly. What else does it have? It has Bluetooth, so you can use it as a Bluetooth speaker. Obviously it's got Wi-Fi and has audio line out, so you can plug stereo speakers into the back of it and the usual stuff. So if you're looking at buying one of these and just wanting to know what they look like, then hoping our video helps you.
So we bought this because we want to put it in the bathroom. But we're going. Seems a bit odd. I'm just going to interrupt the video a minute. For those who are going, my God, well, that's on his t-shirt. I have got some foam in the walls and sticky foam, which was doing the house up. So as we get a few minutes, we're doing. So this is my best card.
We are doing DIY in the house, so excuse the dress, but we thought it was important to get a video up about products that we buy, put it that way.
So well packaged.
So usual well packaged by Amazon. It's a lot like Apple products. It's got a nice like clear thing. This is the sort of fabricy thing. It's not it doesn't give, but it's like almost like something you find in a car on a door.
It's quite nice.
So what else have we got?
And obviously protective tab on it there.
So at the back you've got your power and your headphone, the stereo jack, like I said a minute ago. It is noticeably more heavy. I guess that's something to do with I think it's got a better speaker in it, because the sound on this is really good compared to the older one. So,
got a prompt card. Tells you what to ask Alexa.
Yeah, you can try a lot of things to try.
Yeah.
What's this?
Booklets.
Just the usual setup. And you will need the app on the Alexa app on your phone to set it up. The reason why I'm saying that quietly is because we've got another Echo in here and it will trigger it. Right, so that's the power for it. So whatever colour you get this in, the power matches. The power lead matches.
What elastic band on it? Oops.
Yeah.
That's quite nice. You even got the matching white elastic band.
Yeah, that is actually matching, because the one with the black one is actually black.
Yeah,
it's pretty good.
Detail. So how long is this cable? Just out, because we used to do a test once upon a time.
It's fairly long.
Cables were.
So it's good.
That could be quite important to people, depending where they want to put it.
Yeah, definitely.
However, there is a solution to that, which will show you. 57 inches of cable.
Whatever that is in.
Nearly 5 foot. Just under 5
that's
foot.
what it is.
It's quite a long cable, really.
Yeah.
I didn't realise it was that long.
Right, so that's it basically. If you're looking at buying one, that's what you can expect. It is a nice little thing. You can get it in the black with charcoal grey type of thing. You've got your audio buttons, you've got your mute, so it doesn't react when you say the name of it, and that's the action button, and it's got the microphones are more noticeable on this model.
But we're not going to, we can do a separate video, but we have bought this to sit in our bathroom, and we've bought the battery charger, battery docking.
Yeah, it's like a separate product somebody sells.
I'm going to do that review in a few minutes, and you
yeah.
put this in it, and then it's mobile, and you stand it outside, do what you want with it, really. Fine, you've got Wi-Fi, so it's just quite nice to have in the bathroom, in a dry area. Right.
Hopefully this video helps you if you're thinking about buying one of these. I know it's not a perfect
They're
video,
stylish.
but
they're really stylish.
It's a quick video we're just making. So.
Yeah, in between foaming and
right.
some wood filler in.
Thanks very much for watching.